Today's flight is all about currency, but please stay until the end as we see fast planes, fast cars, a night landing and some cake.
Biggin Tower, Golf Judy Bravo, Alpha 121, Squawking 7047, ready for departure.
Judy Bravo, roger, short delay for departure, hold position.
Holding Judy Bravo. So today is all about getting my currency back. Seems like I can't remember the last time it didn't rain. You have to do 3 takeoff and landings within 90 days to take passengers. I've only got 1 takeoff and landing in the last 90 days. So a little anticipation for this flight. Hills do go rusty pretty quickly. Wish I was flying that.
Golf Judy Bravo, line up and wait, runway 21.
Line up and wait, runway 21, Golf Judy Bravo.
765 Quebec Sierra, contact Thames radar, 128025, bye-bye.
128025, 165 Quebec Sierra, bye-bye.
Zach 8 right, taxi Hotel Sus Terminal, jet Leopard 251.
Golf Judy Bravo, 21 threshold QFE 999 hectopascals.
999 hectopascals QFE.
Right hand circuit, clear takeoff, 2508 knots.
Clear takeoff, right hand into the circuit, Judy Bravo. Right, airspeed's increasing. Engine T's and P's in the green. 50 knots. 60 knots.
The first takeoff and landing of the day was a touch and go at Biggin Hill, which meant turning right into the circuit immediately after takeoff on runway 21, which, not for the last time today, was straight into the sun.
Biggin Tower, Golf Charlie Mike Charlie Foxtrot, request engine start at hangar 504 with information whiskey 1018.
Golf Charlie Foxtrot, start approved.
Approved, Golf Charlie Foxtrot.
Circuit height.
Judy Bravo, report final number 1.
Full fun number 1, Golf Judy Bravo.
Biggin Tower, Golf Bravo Charlie Juliet Papa PA28 at Vulcan Engineering requesting taxi to the fuel pumps, please.
Romeo.
Focus on, I'm going to go down, Mr. Rich, fuel pumps on. RP.
Biggin Tower, Golf Charlie Mike Charlie Foxtrot, hangar 504, ready for the airfield and departure information, please. Taxi and hold Alpha 1, runway 21, Golf Charlie Foxtrot.
Golf Romeo Echo, report final number 2, following the A5, turning on to final.
Romeo Echo.
Biggin Tower, Golf Bravo, Tango, India, Delta.
Golf Judy Bravo, final to land, runway 21.
Golf Judy Bravo, surface wind 2607 knots, runway 21, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Golf Judy Bravo.
Golf Bravo Tango India Delta, I think that was calling.
Golf India Delta, request taxi from EG to fuel pumps. For taxi approved, Golf India Delta.
Golf India Delta, if required, give way to a Cessna 182, right to left, taxiing past the self-service.
And just approaching the overhead, Golf Pump Mike Charlie Whiskey.
Golf Juliet Papa at the Alpha 3.
Golf Echo Tango holding Alpha 1, ready for departure. Golf Charlie Whiskey, apologies, continue to join, report downwind.
Report downwind and Golf Charlie Whiskey, no problem.
50 knots.
Golf Juliet Papa, just confirm that's you at Alpha 3 at the moment.
AFAM.
Thank you. Golf Romeo Echo, surface wind 260 degrees 8 knots, runway 21, clear to land.
Cleared and Romeo Echo.
Golf Juliet Bravo, QNH 1018.
1018, Golf Judy Bravo.
The first landing was really good. The approach was nice, a lot better than the next one you will see. I think knowing that I might be a bit rusty helps channel my concentration a little, but the low sun was really annoying.
Golf Juliet Bravo, contact approach 129405, left turn at 2 miles.
Left turn in 2 miles, Golf Judy Bravo, contact approach 129.405. Biggin approach, Golf Alpha Judy Bravo.
Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo, Biggin approach, good afternoon. Just confirm you're doing left turn at 2 miles or right turn at 1.
I'd prefer right turn at 1 or right turn now, please.
Dr. Bravo, Roger, Porter Beam, Kenley, course on the ground site, it may be active, basic service, and what level are you climbing to?
Report being Kenley, which may be active, climbing to 2,200 feet with basic service, Juliet Bravo. Big approach, Golf Juliet Bravo, beam Kenley, 2,100 feet, request frequency change to Farnborough 123225.
Golf Juliet Bravo, Farnborough West is 125250, Squawk on security, have a good day.
125250, Squawk on security, thank you, goodbye. Farnborough radar, Golf Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo, basic service.
Golf Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo, Farnborough radar, post message.
Golf Juliet Bravo is an A5, Biggin to Goodwood, west of beam Kenley, 2,200 feet on 1018, requesting basic service.
Golf Juliet Bravo, Squawk 0430, Farnborough QNH 1018, basic service.
0430 1018, basic service, Juliet Bravo. Okay, so that all happened pretty quickly. It's always a bit tricky when you're low on currency and you depart straight into the circuit. Everything happens all at once. But that was a nice landing, even though I had the sun in my eyes. So pleased with that. Oh, nice touch and go. So now we're on our way to Goodwood, which is a grass strip. I found in the summer that my landings on the grass strips weren't particularly good. The ground was very dry, so it was very hard, but probably a little bit too flat, a little bit too fast, so something to work on when we get here. So the next radio I'm going to need is Goodwood 122455. It's actually quite a lot hazier than I was expecting. Might just be clouds over or mist over the downs. I'd originally planned to do the touch and go at Goodwood, but all the rain they've had, the runway's not suitable. As I said, I've got to do 3 touch and goes to regain my currency to take passengers. I've all been a bit quick, flying straight to the circuit at Biggin. Means done the touch and go there, full stop at Goodwood, then land back at Biggin. That'll be my 3. I think another reason for the sort of the nervous anticipation planned for the return to Biggin to be at night. To be able to take night passengers, one of your touch and goes, or one of your landings in 90 days has to be at night. So been a year since I flew at night. I think the last time was regaining my currency when the people with the fireworks tried to shoot me down. So hopefully that won't happen this time, but as I say, it just adds to the anticipation and the brain ache of planning the return trip into the night. It's beautiful weather. The weather's supposed to stay like this all evening. Unfortunately, with the wind, it means I'm going to be landing directly into the sunshine again when I get to Goodwood, which make it a little more interesting. I need to try and nail 65 knots on the approach and then get a nice flare so I don't land too flat when I get there.
Can see shortly.
Bit of wind over the downs. Bit of a pinch point here between Gatwick and Farnborough. Makes the navigating quite tricky. Or at least it does if you haven't got sky dimming.
X-ray Papa Tango, Farnborough radar pass message.
This visibility will be very hard to navigate with a map.
From 0434 and 1018 to QNH, Golf Papa Delta.
Student Golf Papa Delta.
Right, let's get the autopilot on and I can sort this out.
Leon Solent, Golf Papa Delta.
On the radar, good afternoon, November 08 Victor Tango with you, squawking
that's a little bit better.
1,100 feet.
Farnborough radar, Golf Juliet Bravo at Midhurst, 2,000 feet. Request frequency change to Goodwood 122.455.
Golf Juliet Bravo, squawk on security, free call Goodwood 122.455.
Squawk on security, Golf Juliet Bravo. Goodwood information, Golf Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo inbound.
Golf Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo, good information. Hello to you. We are using runway 24 right hand circuit, QFE 1014, one other joining.
1014, runway 24 right hand. I'm 10 miles to the northeast, positioning for a long straight in approach, please.
Golf Juliet Bravo, report 4 mile final.
Report 4 mile final, Juliet Bravo.
24 right hand circuit, QNH 1018.
10 miles to run. I'm doing my downwind checks now, so brakes are off, undercarriage down, mixer's rich, fuel pumps on, mild ice, lots of flooding out there. Surprising amount of water we had. Right, slow us down.
1018, hello Janet.
Can't really see the runway at the moment.
Foxtrot Golf is now downwind 24.
Foxtrot Golf, report final, number 1.
Foxtrot Golf.
Golf Juliet Bravo is on a 4-mile final, runway 24 right hand.
Golf Juliet Bravo, just stand by 1 break. Foxtrot Golf, where are you now?
Just about 10 off the right base.
Roger, report final.
Report final, Golf Foxtrot.
Juliet Bravo, are you visual with the aircraft just turning base?
Negative.
Roger, in that case runway 2, report 2-mile final.
Juliet Bravo.
I had planned and positioned for a straight-in approach, but given the visibility I should have changed for an overhead join. With a plane now in front of me and still a bit high, I broke off the approach to try again.
Foxtrot Golf is final 24 land.
Golf Juliet Bravo, was that?
No, it's Fox Golf.
Fox Golf, are you ahead of Juliet Bravo? Juliet, Fox Golf, runway 24, land at your discretion, the wind 2509 and up.
Golf Foxtrot Golf.
Golf Juliet Bravo is visual with the traffic in front. I'm going to make a right turn out of the downwind, out of the straight approach, come back.
Juliet Bravo, Roger, there's no other reported circuit traffic, so nothing known to affect.
Juliet Bravo, maybe just one right hand orbit then.
Roger.
Goodwood information, Golf Bravo Sierra Tango Papa, basic service.
Golf Bravo Sierra Tango Papa, good information, good afternoon. The QNH 1018, party message.
1018, Golf Bravo Sierra.
Golf Juliet Bravo, 4 miles, straight in runway 24.
Juliet Bravo, report 2 miles.
Report 2 miles, Juliet Bravo. Right. Looking a bit better.
Oscar November, there's one I think on final, just stand by. Break, Juliet Bravo, how far out are you?
Golf Juliet Bravo, 1.8 miles.
Roger, runway 24, land at your discretion, the wind 2408 knots.
Land at my discretion, Juliet Bravo.
The second time around it was much better.
Right, nice stable approach. Really hard to see because of the haze and the sunshine. Picture's looking good. Nice stable approach.
Golf Oscar November, behind the aircraft on short final, runway 24, report lined up behind.
Okay, behind the aircraft, bus at runway 24 behind, Oscar November.
A little bit high. .65 knots. Perfect. Beautiful.
Golf Juliet Bravo, welcome to Goodwood. If you continue straight ahead a bit further, you'll see there's a taxiway to your left.
I see it. Thank you very much. That was the best grass landing in a long, long time.
Golf Delta Mike, request frequency change to Farnborough 133.440.
Oh, look at that biplane go. Wowee.
Good afternoon, Golf Alpha.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates. Bye!